Welcome back. The Politbureau continues. In our Spinners and Spanners segment this week, it's one of the most interesting interviews ever to have been done on TV. Listen to this. Is it a buffalo? Is it Cyril? What is it? Is it Didi and Cyril put together to prove unity? Someone said on Twitter, this unity issue has gone too far. Just take a listen to this interview, exclusive interview that Politbureau had yesterday with Rasta.
Yeah, this is my painting of the president, of which is going to be around soon. So I just want to finish this. Maybe it's going to be his present when it's done. Yeah.
When are you anticipating it to finish it?
No, I'm still on the process to finish it up. But I hope at about lunchtime, maybe I'll be done with the painting. Yeah, so that I can present to him. I've got other paintings that are lying over here that I'm gonna try and give maybe to the president and the former president.
When did you arrive here in Durban?
I came yesterday at about 3 in the morning. Yeah, but I came here in Moses Mabhida around 7 o'clock. So I started this at about 8 o'clock. Yeah, for now I'm still in the process of finishing it up.
You know that many people on Twitter, they've questioned your talent. They say you don't depict those you are painting. Is this a true reflection of President Ramaphosa?
Yeah, let's see when the painting is done, because each and every time I get critics on a painting that is not done. You find it's being posted yet it's not done. But let's check this when everything, every detail is done. You find that it's exactly Ramaphosa. I think you will love it also.
What do you think of that criticism? Do you feel that it's unfair, it's unjustified?
The criticism, it comes in a different ways, because sometimes it's politically motivated. You find people, they think maybe I'm being paid or I get tenders from the government to do the paintings. So they do criticize my work in connection with that.
Okay, even after the painting was done, I'm not too sure whether that is Cyril Ramaphosa, the president of the country. Thank you so much for watching Politbureau. We were live from Umhlanga in KwaZulu-Natal, where the ANC was celebrating its 107th anniversary with the president that you saw being painted by Rasta. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.